Welcome to the Royal FX Trades. My name is Zubeyr. In this video, I want to speak about some pairs because at the moment we do have quite interesting price action and structure. Now, as usual, to keep the video as educational as possible, first I will be covering the technical aspect of this market. We will try to understand where we have the highest possibilities for the next potential move on these pairs. First, I will analyze the USD index. Now, starting from daily time frame, we can see that USD index was going sell direction. Okay, so if we try to analyze here, we can see that a channel is formed from here. Okay, this is called descending channel. So if we try to read the price action here, this pair USD, we can see that a strong impulse happened here, and then this impulse created a large correction. Now going down to 4-hour time frame, we can clearly see that this is a large correction, and then another impulse happened here. Okay, so if we analyze what the market is doing right now, okay guys, we can see that USD is in correction now after this impulse. So what we are expecting is that, as you see here, now USD is in also correction. So what I am expecting from this pair is that to make another impulse here, okay, and one more touch for this trend line, and then we are waiting for a continuation. So I am expecting USD to reach this area. Okay, this is what we call ninth rule. So we are expecting USD index for buy direction. Also, if we analyze, if we look Euro index, okay, by starting daily time frame, we also can see that, okay, USD was also going by direction. We can see here for descending channel and then impulse. So if we look this in here, we can see that now Euro is making also is large correction, but also it do break this double top. Okay, but now from 4-hour perspective, we can see also that Euro is also making here ascending channel. So I am expecting for Euro also to fall to reach this level area. Yes guys, Euro index we are expecting also for to break this trend line. If it break this trend line, it will reach this area, because this is the ninth rule. This is a large descending, okay, channel, so it must complete and reach here. What I also like to show you guys is JPP index. Okay, if we try to analyze JPP index by also starting from daily time frame, we can see that JPP is also in a large correction. So of course here is the double top. We can see that rejection happened here. So after this rejection, JPP is trying to make now, after this impulse, now we are expecting a correction and then continuation. So if we draw this correction, yes, you can clearly see that. Yes, we are expecting one more touch to reach this level. If it break here, after this break happen, so after this break happen, we are expecting also JPP to fall, to go sell direction. Okay, yes guys, we can see here a large impulse happened, so we are waiting another continuation to reach JPP in this level. So we will see how it performs. Also, we will analyze NZD New Zealand in the case. So guys, New Zealand, if we look this pair, okay, we can see that this pair was making impulse, now is trying to create a large correction, and then in the future, of course, we are expecting for another impulse. So if we draw, okay, this large correction, yes, now going down for 4-hour chart, yes guys, if we clearly look inside of this channel, yes, you see an impulse happened. Now the price trying to retest where it's breaking from the originally. So of course we are expecting NZD to go again for buy direction. Yes guys, we are expecting another impulse. So NZD, even though now is trying to create and make an correction, okay, after this large impulse, so we will see how it performs. Also guys, we will analyze Euro CAD. Okay, Euro CAD, as now we analyze it, the CAD in the Euro index. So if we look for the weekly time frame for Euro CAD, guys, also we can see that EuroCAD was going by direction, but if you see this, this is large impulse, now is creating an correction. So let's look for daily time frame. Yes guys, if we draw this correction, guys, we can also clearly see that EuroCAD now is in also correction. We are expecting one more impulse. So after that, of course, EuroCAD will be in just by direction. Okay, of course, I'm expecting this pair at least to reach this level area, guys, in the future, of course, if we look for a daily time frame. So from now from daily from 4 hour perspective, we also see that now EuroCAD is in correction. So of course, guys, we can only take this trade, okay, after it break this trend line. Why? Because if you look this, if every time it touches this trend line, it was retested. So now it's trying to break this trend line, if you see clearly. So I don't think that it will break. So we are expecting one more sell and impulse, and then of course for buy direction. Also, guys, I want to also share with you JPP JPY. JPP JPY, really this pair is amazing. Let's look together. If we just look this for 4 hour chart, we can see that JPP JPY, if we just read the price action here, guys, yes, this is the level of Nitro, guys. By the way, the strategy that I use, a lot of you asked me, is market structure, guys. When I say market structure, is that you learn the behavior of the market and how the market forms. Okay, that is our goal, guys. So of course we use just trend line. Of course, is our strategy is based on trend line. So you will learn how the trend line works, guys, and that's what I call market structure. Okay, now if we look for JPP JPY for 4 hour time frame, guys, we can see that this channel, okay, this large channel that happened here, every time it touches, you see, it was retesting, it touches, it was resisting, again it touches, it was resisting. That means, guys, now here we can see that a large impulse happened, right? So now the price is in correction. We are expecting another impulse. Okay, so we can see that clear on 1 hour time frame. After this correction, we are expecting one more impulse, but we can take this trade after it break this correction. Okay, of course, I'm sharing all the time through our Telegram group. Okay, so that's what I'm waiting for JPP JPY. Also, there is another same pair, same structure with JPP JPY. Okay, this one is NZT JPY, guys. As I now explain it, okay, analyze it in front of you for NZT JPY. Now let's also look for how it forms, how it goes on. So we can see that NZT JPY, we can see that here it forms also a large correction, but I'm expecting this pair, guys, is same as JBB JPY. Their structures are the same, guys, even though they have coloration, positive coloration, so that means they go with the same direction. If you look here, guys, if you look here, now we can see that when NZD-JPY create this large channel, it's called ascending channel, so we can see that another ascending channel formed here, and then impulse happened. So after this impulse happened, it tried to make a large correction. So what we are expecting is to break this correction. So that means after it breaks this correction, we are expecting, of course, another downtrend. Okay, another downtrend. If we look for 4-hour time frame, okay, guys, we can see that, of course, it also break here. So that means this trade is active now, and I already share it, guys, JBB JPY to our main Telegram group, so you can see there. So yes, guys, that means now I am expecting this pair to reach here, which is 9th rule, of course. Of course, we can be 35 pips on our stop loss. So JBB JPY, it almost break the trend line, guys, as you see here. I am analyzing. Of course, today the date is 6th of March 2023. This pair, I'm expecting sell direction. Of course, I'm always do this the TP1, and here we can do TP2. Yes, guys, even though 1 hour time frame, yes, we can see the only thing that we can take is now it can make here the below of this trend line for a correction. So if like correction happened here, then we are waiting another impulse. Guys, also I want to share with you for NZD cat. Okay, NZD cat, of course, as I analyze it, NZD pair, NZD index, we see that it was making a large correction. So after this large impulse, so it's the same here, guys, as you see. So all these pairs, guys, I think we can benefit from this month. So what we see from here is that for the daily time frame on NZD cat, yes, as you see here, guys, this is also another ascending channel. It formed from here. What I am expecting now is to break this trend line and another impulse, same as this one happened, of course. So but NZD cat at least will reach this 9th rule, this large correction. So but what we are expecting is that after this impulse correction, guys, another impulse. So that is like higher high, higher low, higher high, so to reach this area again. That's it for our analysis today, guys. Any update, I am sharing with my Telegram group.